Hello everyone, my name is Tara and I'm back again with one more unboxing of a bag. Yesterday I bought a bag from Gucci and I don't know why, but these days I have a thing for super mini and mini bags, and maybe the reason is I carry very less when I go out. Only when I'm traveling, then only I carry tote bags. Otherwise, when I go out, I prefer carrying mini bags or super mini bags. But the reason behind buying this super mini bag is the aesthetic purpose. And how beautiful is this bag? What I believe is that Gucci has this best design with them. Like, this is one of the best design of Gucci. I have seen all Gucci bags, but no other design can match this particular design, and I bought this bag solely for its aesthetic purpose. So without any further ado, let's go and unbox and see what I got from Gucci. So here is the packet and let's go. I have not opened this bag as of now. So this is like a fresh unboxing. So this is how it comes. This is the box, because the bag is super mini, and that's why the box is such small box. And here they have given me the invoice, like bill, how much you paid. And yes, for after unboxing we will discuss how insanely Gucci has increased their price in this last 2 years. The price increase has been insane. That I'll discuss with you guys later on. First, let's go and do the unboxing. So here is this box where there is the bag, and let's go. Ta-da! Are you guys excited like me? I'm always excited for bags. So yeah, here is the bag in this packet, and they have this product information which they always give with the bags. So let's go and do the unboxing. Guys, the only purpose of me buying this bag is its aesthetic. This bag is so beautiful, one of the most beautiful bags that ever exists. Trust me, Gucci has many designs, but no one can match their Dionysus. So Dionysus, no other design can match, and super mini is another level altogether. So this is a very new bag, and I have not opened it yet. So directly from the store. So let's go and unbox it. Ta-da! I'm so happy to share my joy with you all, with my YouTube family. I have realized I have created a beautiful YouTube family who watches my videos. Thanks a lot for that. So let's go and do the unboxing, you guys. Ta-da! Here she is. This is the most gorgeous bag one can ever have in their collection. And let me tell you guys that this comes in various leathers and in their monogram canvas. But the beauty which comes in the monogram canvas for Dionysus, trust me, in leather bag it does not come. I mean, if it's fully leather, it doesn't look that beautiful in super mini size. So this canvas combination is so gorgeous. So I have checked out many other leather colors, white, and there was black, silver, gold, but this bag, it has my heart. So ta-da! So inside, let's go and see the stuffing. So as you all know, this is for if you can make this bag as a belt bag also. For that purpose only Gucci gave this thing, but people uses it for put their key. That is also not bad, but you can wear this bag in different styles. So yeah, Okay, so unboxing done. This is how the bag looks. This is made of coated canvas, and in the side they have given this thing. If you want to keep your keys, that's fine, but this is mainly for the belt bag purpose. And this is the long chain, which is the beauty of the bag. And this is like suede. Inside, you have to open this like this, and inside you have no different compartment, only one compartment. Inside it's written Gucci, and yeah, this is it. And let's come to the price part of this bag, guys. I was in shock when I went to the store, because I went to the store last week and I bought this bag yesterday. Of I think 5 days ago, the bag was for 78,000 rupees, and in 5 days they have increased. They told me that just been 4 days that we have increased the price. So I bought it for 88,000 Indian rupees, and that is not the shocking part. The shocking part is, I clearly remember this bag was for 53,000 rupees in 2021 in India. So in 2024 March, they have increased the price and made it to 88,000. That is 65% increment in the price. Gucci has gone crazy for their price part, and this is the shocking part. In 2 years, the price increasement percentage is 65, which is insane. Okay, fine. So yeah, that's now your wish. If you wanna buy the bag or not, they don't care. They're gonna raise their price like that. But this bag really grew on me. With time, I saw one picture of this bag, one lady carrying this bag crossbody, and this bag was looking so beautiful, and since then it got stuck in my mind. I checked there are other variation in this bag in leather and other color, but I love this one. Okay, fine. Let's go and see what fits inside the Supermini Dionysus. Okay. So what we need when we go out, we need phone, which will definitely not fit in this one, and we also don't keep phone in our bags, right? We always carry in our hand and keep on checking Insta, Facebook, which is so bad. Trust me, social media I'm not liking these days. Anyways, that's a different story. And let's go and see what all fits in. So what we need when we go out, we girls need our lipstick. So this is Dior, their iconic red color. Let's see, it fits in. Let's see, another full-size lipstick fits in. This is Charlotte Tilbury's Nude Romance. It also fits in. What else we need? We need cards for our shopping. So I have taken 3 cards. Let's go and see if it fits in. Cards fits in easily, and let's see if the house keys fits inside. It fits inside perfectly. Now I still have some space if I want to put one more mini lipstick or a sanitizer. It will fit in properly. So here it is. This bag is so gorgeous, and I'm so happy with my purchase. Only thing I felt bad because if I bought this bag like 4 days back, it was for 78,000, and then I paid 88,000, and the price is going so high for Gucci. In past 2 years, they increased the ratio by 65%, which is insane. So this is it, you guys. If you have any questions about this bag, do feel free to ask. Yeah, and I'll also insert the other bags pictures in the video or in the cover, if possible. So you can see how beautiful this one looks besides any other color in leather. Yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. You have a good one. Take care. Bye bye.